So I am in our room. I am going to focus on this corner over here. Then we'll go down to the floor. Oh my gosh. Can y'all hear that? That is super sketch. Holy cow. Oh yeah, look what it did right here. It pulled the tape off. So that tape was here when we bought it from the previous owner, but it's definitely moved it, look. Oh yeah, this is definitely way more movie. Look at this wall, it's like it's not even attached. Look at this. Can y'all hear that? Oh my God, it sounds like it's moving so much. Okay, let's go check out the floor. Okay, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but just listen when I step on it. Can y'all hear that?